Let's talk about trains. A train is a long vehicle with many cars. It travels on rails. You get on a train at a station. Stations can be small or very large. You need a ticket to ride the train. You can buy a ticket at a machine or use a card or phone app. You wait for the train on the platform. There are lines on the ground to show you where to stand. The doors open when the train arrives. Get on quickly, the doors close fast. Inside the train, there are seats along both sides of the car. Some people sit and some people stand in the middle. Above your head, there are handles to hold. You can grab them when the train moves. It is quiet on the train. Most people do not talk loud or play loud games. The train stops at many stations along the way. A voice tells you the name of the next stop. When you arrive at your station, you get off. Watch the doors. They close quickly. Sometimes you need to change trains to reach your destination. This is called a transfer. And stations have signs to help you. In Japan, trains come very often. Japanese trains are fast and always on time. Many people use the train to go to school or work every day. The train is a great way to travel. It can take you to many different places.